Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Water Bubble Table is probably one of the most mesmerizing and captivating additions you can make to your home or office, creating a tranquil ambience that soothes the senses and elevates your space with its gentle, undulating display of light and motion, offering a unique visual experience that is both calming and engaging, making it a perfect centerpiece for relaxation and conversation. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Row and Ride. Enhance your squat technique with this compact machine. It supports a deeper range of motion while engaging your entire body. It's your all-in-one cardio and strength solution, trusted by millions. Target key muscle groups with one powerful movement. This ergonomic machine works your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders. It's perfect for effective, low-impact total body training at home. Pair it with the free SunnyFit app for guided workouts and real-time tracking. Access an exclusive fitness community led by world-class trainers. Enjoy AI-powered plans and global workout tours. Customize your workout with multiple pin lock positions for deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatile setup supports a balanced routine tailored to your strength, flexibility, and goals. Challenge your strength with 3 built-in resistance bands, offering up to 66 pounds of total resistance. It's perfect for scaling your workouts from beginner to advanced levels. This compact machine folds easily for quick storage, making it great for home gyms, apartments, or small spaces. It's lightweight and simple to move when not in use. Engineered for strength and stability, it supports up to 330 pounds. It's built for long-term performance and reliability across all fitness levels. What we like? If you're looking for a comprehensive home workout that targets multiple muscle groups, this is the one. It offers connected fitness with guided workouts and a foldable design for easy storage. If you want to combine cardio and strength training effectively, consider this. What people say. The water bubble table is a great addition to any room, providing a calming and mesmerizing visual experience. The LED lights create a beautiful ambience, and the bubbles add a dynamic element that is both relaxing and engaging. Easy to set up and maintain, this table is a wonderful conversation starter and a unique decorative piece. Number 4. Step 2 Rain Showers Splash Pond Water Table. Transform your backyard into a fun water park with this exciting water table. It's perfect for endless summer enjoyment. Use the large bucket to scoop water and pour it into the top tray. You'll love watching the rainfall effect as the water splashes down. As the water drains, watch the maze pieces, ramps, and buckets come to life. Rearrange them to create new waterfalls and explore cause and effect STEM play. Kids can create a spinning splash with the handheld wheel. Use the side flipper to send figures back into the pond for more playful action. Keeping it clean is a breeze. You can easily use disinfectant wipes or household cleaners whenever needed. This water and sand activity set provides fantastic sensory play opportunities. It's designed for toddlers aged 1.5 and up. What we like? If you have toddlers who love imaginative play and sensory exploration, this is a fantastic choice. It creates a mini water park with fun cause and effect STEM play. If you want to encourage learning through play, this is ideal. What people say. The water bubble table is a fantastic addition to any room, providing a calming and mesmerizing visual experience. Its sleek design and vibrant LED lighting create a captivating ambience, perfect for relaxation or as a unique decorative piece. The gentle bubbling sound adds to the tranquil atmosphere, making it an ideal centerpiece for living rooms, bedrooms, or even offices. Number 3. Best Choice Products 3-in-1 Kids Picnic Table with Umbrella. Discover a world of play with this versatile table. It easily transforms into a sand or water table, offering endless entertainment for your little ones. Embrace sunny days with this outdoor essential. It's the ideal spot for meals, games, and learning, all while enjoying the fresh air. Keep your child comfortable with the adjustable umbrella. It provides perfect shade, adapting as they grow, ensuring fun all day long. Crafted from durable, natural wood, this table is built for years of enjoyment. It comfortably seats up to 4 children for shared adventures. Designed with safety in mind, it's made from treated, BPA-free wood. You can rest assured knowing they're playing with a certified and safe product. With ample space and a high weight capacity, it's perfect for all their activities. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust construction. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile outdoor activity station for young children, this is perfect. Its 3-in-1 design easily converts between a picnic table and a sand or water table, seating up to 4 kids. If you value durable, real wood construction and a shaded play area, this is the one. What people say. The water bubble table is a fantastic addition to any room, providing a calming and mesmerizing visual experience. Its sleek design and integrated LED lighting create a soothing ambience, perfect for relaxation or as a unique decorative piece. The gentle bubbling sound is incredibly peaceful and helps to mask distracting noises, promoting a tranquil environment. Number 2. Step 2 Spill and Splash Seaway Water Table. Introducing the Step 2 Spill and Splash Seaway Water Table, designed for endless fun and learning. It's perfect for little ones to explore and develop essential skills. This sensory table is ideal for small hands, allowing children to play while enhancing their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It encourages interactive learning through play. Stay cool with its unique two-tier design, offering plenty of space for multiple children to play simultaneously. The upper table holds 2.22 gallons, while the lower one accommodates 3.24 gallons. It comes complete with an 11-piece water accessory set, including a side flipper, sea creature figures, and a fun starfish spinner to enhance playtime. The detachable umbrella provides shade for outdoor fun, and you can elevate sensory play indoors by adding rice, beans, or kinetic sand. It's perfect for any setting. Cleaning up is a breeze, simply hose it down or wipe it clean when needed. Its dimensions are 22.5 x 43.25 w x 25d, making it a substantial addition to your play area. What we like. If you want to provide a spacious and engaging water play experience for multiple children, this two-tier table is ideal. It offers a large capacity and encourages sensory play with various water toys. If you need a durable, easy-to-clean option with shade, this is a great pick. What people say. The water bubble table is a fantastic addition to any room, providing a calming and mesmerizing visual experience. Its sleek design and integrated LED lighting create a soothing ambience, perfect for relaxation or as a unique decorative piece. The gentle bubbling sound is incredibly peaceful, and the adjustable light settings allow you to customize the mood. Number 1. Beistle Under the Sea Rectangle Table Cover. Make a splash at your next party with this vibrant table cover. Its unique water and bubble design will surely delight your guests. Use it to protect your table or hang it up as a fun photo backdrop. It's perfect for any setting, from picnics to patio tables. This cover easily fits standard rectangular tables, measuring 54 by 108 inches. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its disposable plastic material. Elevate your beach, mermaid, or luau party with this eye-catching decoration. It's a fantastic addition to any summer or themed event. Since 1900, we've been dedicated to helping you celebrate life's moments. Trust us for fun, high-quality party essentials. What we like. If you're planning an under-the-sea or mermaid-themed party, this table cover is a must-have. It instantly transforms any table into a fun, decorative element and doubles as a photo backdrop. If you want a simple, disposable way to enhance your party's theme, choose this. What people say. The water bubble table is a great addition to our living room. It's very relaxing to watch the bubbles rise and the lights change color. It's also a great conversation starter. This water bubble table is a beautiful and unique piece of decor. The lights are bright and vibrant, and the bubbles create a mesmerizing effect. It's perfect for adding a touch of tranquility to any space. I love my water bubble table. It's so calming and peaceful to look at. The different color options are a nice touch, and it's easy to set up and maintain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.